Banner Hunters, welcome back to the channel. You can see behind me, today we're checking out a really cool farmhouse. It's in pretty rough shape, but there's a cool surprise in the barn. There's about 3-4 barns in the back. Lots of stuff to see. I'm not going to waste all your time, so come on along. Let's check it out. We'll see what's inside. We'll see what's in the barn. We'll explore together. Let's go. So here's a look at the outside of the house. This one's been sitting here a long time. You can see there's green mold growing on the outside of it. The roof is completely rotted out. When we get inside, you'll see. Yeah, this one's it's beyond repair. It's beyond saving. There's a few barns in the back, and the barn right near the back has a really cool surprise. So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna have a look at it. And you guys let me know what you think. Just a little look at the back of the place. You can see that pretty cool, creepy actually, swing set. It's seen better days, but there's the back of the house. And I don't know, you probably can't see the roof, but we'll get a closer look at that. But yeah, this is the back of the property, and there's barns everywhere. That little one there. I mean, these ones, not really worth a look. They're cool from the outside, but there's really nothing inside. There's an old collapsed building. This barn directly in front of us, again, not really worth a look. But the one beside it in the back there, totally worth going into. So we're gonna head in there, and I'm gonna show you what I found. We're inside. And just down here, you're going to see it in a second. You might be able to see it right now, actually. But this is also pretty creepy. It's an old Christmas tree, and it's all twisted up. It's in rough shape. But yeah, let's go take a look at this. This is an old Fiat. Super cool find. Look at this. It's a convertible. Most of it's here too, which is pretty neat, man. This is amazing. This is an old Italian car. And like the body is in pretty good shape. Yeah, there's some dents and there's a little bit of rust. But that looks like all surface rust. I mean, it's probably been sitting in here for God knows how long. But yeah, check it out. And it even has the motor in it. Seats are still here. Back seat's in there. It's kind of dark. Let's see if we can't edit that to make it a little bit brighter. But yeah, here's the motor. And it still has a license plate on it too. And the license plate is Fiat 73. Can you guys see that? So clearly this is a 1973 Fiat. And it's a 4-cylinder. And there's some cables and stuff hanging from the rafters here, so it was probably plugged in at some point to keep the battery charged and everything going, but who knows who's been working on it. But yeah, there's like a whole bunch of cement barriers and stuff. It looks like there was probably some sort of livestock or something in this barn at one point. Super cool. There's a side door. I mean, this used to be a little sun deck at one point. Oh, and that looks like garlic hanging off the back post. Interesting. And this little covered door area here leads to the basement. Down there, you can get into the basement. And there's also an entrance to the basement from the inside of the house. Little picnic table. Super old TV antenna. Those of you who may be a Gen Xer will know what those are. Alright, we're going to take a look on the inside now. We'll see inside. Alright, let's head inside and have a look. See, there's stuff kind of trashed, scattered all over the place. This is that little back sunroom that I was talking about, and there's a little window there, and yeah, there's some old garlic cloves hanging there. I wonder how long those have been there for. You can see the roof, and you're going to see inside. The roof is caving in. It's all rotted out. It's in really, really bad shape. You have another look right there. But this door is open, so we're going to go in this way. That's the basement. And yeah, this place is in really bad shape. So we're just going to be really careful. Somebody busted up that chair. Last time I was here, that chair was actually still in one piece. Here's the cabinets. And there's a picture of the owners that used to live here, I'm assuming. Pretty sure there's nothing in these cabinets, but hey, why not take a look? No. They're all pretty empty. There's still a little bit of lace lining left over on that one, though. Some cutlery. There's the sink again. What do we got? Anything underneath? Looks like some old vinegar. Not a whole lot. Got some oven mitts. Old picture frame with looks like Mary. And what do we have there? There's another picture. So these people were religious, and I'm pretty sure they were an Italian family. They got that beautiful Italian Fiat out in the garage. There's another look from this end, and you can see the roof is, oh, it's in rough shape. Kitchen table. So this is interesting. There's an old meat grinder on the table. And there's still some knives and forks and plates on the table as well. And we got a picture, and there's also a yearbook here. So let's have a look at the picture. So that most likely was some of the people that lived in this home. It's an old bottle of Canadian. And here's that yearbook I was telling you about. This thing is pretty cool. A lot of the pages are stuck together, so it's kind of hard to see, but I don't know if you can see that. It says Griffin 72, so Bishop Ryan High School. Yep, that was a Catholic high school. And I know a lot of people that actually went there. Really, really, really neat. That's cool. I like that. pretty decorative on the inside. And there's the front. And it looks like somebody was trying to set it on fire, which is kind of frustrating. But yeah, this place is so rotted out. It's actually probably not very safe to be in here, to be honest with you. This leads upstairs, and you can see the roof. It's got all kinds of holes in it. I was here last week looking around, and it was raining and snowing, and there was water pouring in, so I didn't even attempt to go upstairs, but we are going to try that today. There's a nice cool looking door. A lot of these, there's not a lot of stuff left over, but there is some stuff that could be repurposed and used for, interior decorating and that kind of stuff. So this is interesting. There's a mattress there, so clearly there was a squatter in here at some point. But this is like an extension to the kitchen. It's a nice little chandelier. Picture of some bread and a knife on the table or on the wall. Garbage can. It's a piece of art here. You can see that. And this is kind of interesting too. So it looks like somebody put up a wall here or something. But yeah, this window looks out front. And that's the front porch. And again, there's another overhead fan. It's an exhaust fan. There's a lot of junk and garbage lying around, but a second set of cabinets and a sink. And there's an old school phone. The size of the numbers on that phone. That's interesting. And we've got, it looks like this is in a different language. I think that's Italian. It must be. And I'm assuming that those are recipes of some sort. Tarachii. I can't really read that one. But that's pretty interesting. I like that. You can see there's still some remnants of the past lives that lived in here. In the main kitchen, and that fan is so warped. It's falling to pieces now. There's a little plant hanging over by the windows. These are nice windows too. I'm sure they at one point let in a lot of light, sorry. What do we have here? Not quite sure what that is. Maybe an answering machine or something. Alright, so let's head over into the main living room. Hopefully the lighting's okay for you folks. But yeah, it's bad. Look at the roof. It is in such rough shape. There's an old chair. It's pretty musty in here too. Little lamp with a side table. Old rocking chair. And that's the front door. Front windows. And a pretty cool looking old chair there. TV. A little lamp in behind it. And that vent leads out to the exterior of the house. Probably an exhaust vent of some sort or something for heat. Maybe there used to be a fireplace in here, like a gas fireplace or a wood-burning fireplace. Old couch, coffee table. Yeah, it's really, really bad in here. It's rotted out. Not sure what that is. Maybe a little radio or something. But we got a bedroom here. It looks like a king-size bed. But just check out the walls, like the paint peeling off. The floor is kind of bowed. Again, the ceiling fan is all warped. Let's go in here and take our time. It's kind of slippery, but we have an old cabinet. I mean, animals have been in here chewing stuff up, I'm sure. It's a little chest of drawers and a mirror. It's incredible how things look once they've sat for such a long time. Okay, this floor is actually kind of icy from water dripping through and then it freezes on it. Alright, so okie doke, here we go. I don't know if this is a good idea, but let's see. There's so much stuff on the floor, or on the steps, sorry, from just everything falling down. You can see the ceiling is trashed. And that little chair there is broken. It wasn't broken the last time. I'm going to tread very carefully here. Yeah, look at the... I mean, that was an attic. There's probably some stuff up there, but you can see, like, it's all falling down, and you can see the beams have fallen and landed on this little walkway area. Well, I'm happy there's light up here. There's enough holes in the ceiling that it's going to be able to provide light. So here's bedroom number 1 upstairs. And again, Christmas decoration. Such rough shape. This bed is killed. See if we can at least get in a little bit to have a look. Look, it looks to me like somebody's trying to set fire to this place, which is absolutely ridiculous. And there's a closet. Little stuffed teddy bear. Be my sweetheart. I don't understand. I mean, it's in worse shape than it was before. Okay. Bedroom number 2. So this one's in a lot better shape as far as things being, you know, things that we can actually look at. Got lots of cobwebs hanging down. Oh, lots of water up here. Okay. So yeah, there's still some stuff in this room. Gotta be very careful. What do we have here? Sandra. That says Sandra on it, so possibly this was Sandra's room. We got a book, Business Essentials. Some other textbooks and stuff, psychology, human development. So a lot of school stuff here. And we have Sandra. Okay, here's a name. Perfect. Sandra Tarachi, October 26, 1999. What do we have? Just some schoolwork. There's a picture. Excuse me. Perhaps that was Sandra. She liked the Indians, apparently. Baseball fan. Another picture over there. We got more textbooks and stuff. I'm so worried that this floor is going to cave in. Another stuffed animal. Looks like some pictures from the zoo or something there. couple of little fish statues. Oof, it doesn't smell very good in here. And this looks like her main desk. There's still a printer on here. Computer printer, some cassette tapes. Free trade, Sandra Tarachi. So this was March 8th, excuse me, 2000. Getting a frog in my throat. Canadian Dictionary, got a light here. And again, there's that printer I was talking about. What do we have? Concert Clash Gameplay Music. There's a atlas or a map on the desk. Holy, it's a chest of drawers. Looks like her computer chair here. And closet. Still got some stuff inside the closet. Just more textbooks and looks like some figure skates, or at least a box for some figure skates. Some science tools. What do we have in here? Interesting. Programs for Nathan Arnott. So I don't know who that is either. Okay, let's go check out the other bedroom. And there's also a bathroom here. Be careful. Ooh. There's the stairs that go downstairs. Yeah, look at that. It is in bad shape. And the roof is completely caved in over in this bedroom. I'm not even going to attempt to go in there, but you can have a look around. Lots of old stuff. Pretty sure this part, I was looking at the ceiling downstairs, and it was pretty bowed, so gotta be careful. It's a nice little cabinet here, though. Still has some stuff in it. Some glassware and china and stuff. 40th anniversary. Taking a chance here, guys. Try and get this open. That door doesn't seem to open. But I don't know if you can read that, but it says 40th anniversary. Interesting. Lots of stuff lying around. Little nice candle holder. Let's see if I can't get a handle on that thing and just read what it says to you guys. I'll put it back, I promise. Okay, so it says, how proud and very happy it must make you to feel you know that the same sweet love you vowed to share 40 years ago still fills your lives and hearts today, just as it did back then, bringing you those same sweet joys to celebrate again. That's really nice. So that must have been a gift from somebody to the family, which is really, really cool. It's a memory left behind. Sorry guys about the camera shakiness. Another bedroom here. There we go. A Bug's Life. Another desk. It's a little bit darker in here. There's not as much light coming in. Looks like the floors have tile on them. The carpet's probably all rotted away. Okay, so this is Sandra's room. There we go. You can see that. It says Sandra. Got some books. Those are VHS. Apparently she liked to do yoga. Got some candles and other books and stuff. And there's the bed. Little desk. I'm not going to venture too far in. There's a cool little chair over in the corner there. Cork board, looks like a picture. Little smiley face, yeah, like the ceiling is caved. And there's an Aladdin poster on the wall. There's Pinocchio. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like we got some pictures here. They're all pretty in rough shape. You can't really make out what they are. Well, here's one though that you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's take it out here where there's some light. There we are. Looks like a picture of Sandra and her family. Put that back. And then we got a bathroom. There's the tub. Let's see if we can get in here and have a look. The sink's been torn out and flipped down. We got some vitamins and some other stuff. Deodorant, shampoo. There's the toilet. Cute little window looking outside. There's a mirror. And have a look at the ceiling. It's pretty rough. Okay. Alright, that just about covers everything upstairs. So let's be careful. I'm gonna head back down the stairs. Just be really careful here. You can see outside. And out back there's one of the barns. Interesting. Alright, so here we go. Let's be careful. This railing is not very sturdy. And there's stuff all over the place on these stairs, so let's just go slow. I'll make sure I sanitize my hands after I'm done here. Really should be wearing gloves, to be honest with you. Okay. Alright. Made it. Alright. We're back down on the main floor. The basement's super dark. Super dark. Want to check it out? Let's check it out, guys. Holy. Look at this. It's so dark. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a washer and dryer down there. There's the furnace. Yeah, it's hard to see. Awesome. Final hunters, that about does it for this one. Thanks for coming along on this really cool explore today. Shout out to Ash, he couldn't be with me unfortunately. Remember, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel as we continue on our journey to 1,000. Check out our TikTok and our Instagram. We'll see the links in the description. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.